Good morning, grade 2. How are you again? Now we're going to take our science class. The science class will be two parts. In the first part of the class, we're going to do this worksheet. It talks about plants depend on animals, so it is about the unit we finished. Fill down the following shape with a suitable word from the list. We have seed, food, small plants, by insects, by air, and by animals. Let's read. Seeds need to disperse or move to new place. Give 3 examples of how can seeds disperse. How can seeds disperse? Look at the words we have. Yes, they are clear. So we have 3 choices, which are by insects, by wind, and by animals. I will write them. Okay. So you will write by insects, by wind, and by animals. Now question 2. A seed is a part of plant that can grow into new plant. The seed holds 2 important parts. What is inside the seed when we open it? Yes, a small plant that will grow to full plant and food for it to grow. Okay, so I will write small plant and food. This was the first part of our lesson that talked about seed. Now the second part talked about pollination. The following picture shows a flower. Use it to answer the questions below. What is the plant part that makes seeds? Which part of the plant makes seeds? Look at this. Which part? Yes, the flower. Okay. What is a sticky powder inside the flower that it helps to make seeds? Which part? The pollen. Okay. Is a sweet liquid that helps attract hummingbirds and bees and other insects. Okay, which part or what is the sweet liquid? It is the, yes, nectar. Okay, is how pollen is transferred from one plant to another. What is this? How pollen transferred from one plant to another? Yes, pollination process. So it is pollination. Label the part that the pollen are made in. Remove and nectar. Okay, the pollen are made in what part? The stamen. Okay, it makes pollen. So the stamen. So make an arrow, write stamen makes pollen. Label the place that contains pollen. Which place contains pollen? Now we know that pollen is formed in the stamen. So stamen contain pollen. When pollen is spreaded or dispersed, the stigma is a sticky part, so some of the pollen will be sticked on the stigma. So stamen and stigma, which holds the pollen in place. So write this, stop the video, write this, and then continue writing. Okay, now question 7. Draw a picture of pollination showing the animal or the insect that can help it to happen. I need you to do this. It is a homework. As you see, I will count 5 points for students who will do it well, but you must label everything. For example, you draw a bee, say that this is a bee. You draw a flower, write under it flower. Okay, the pollen is stuck on the bee's leg. Write this is pollen. Okay, write everything, label everything. I want to see your pictures. Try to put them in the pocket. Use Class Dojo to send them, please. I will wait to see your answers. This is the first part, which is a worksheet. I will send a picture of the worksheet. I will put it in the same post, but I want you to finish this video, draw this picture, and then open the next part of the video.